It's a spinning duck. How fast can you spin? Why are you blowing the duck call?
Fast.
Show me.
I'm telling you, man, you need to let her go to ballet school.
Eva, you gonna be a pink ballerina?
You might be in a nutcracker. Go the other way. Almost tight. Go the other way.
Hey, that's a YouTuber.
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
That's
Eva,
world's funniest
is that a
home
YouTuber?
videos. That's the world's funniest home video. $10,000.
Here, I'll help you.
Wait, Eva.
Y'all using my duck call. Well, that's that it. I'd like a share.
Hold on.
Ooh, where's the duck call? You gotta blow.
She's dizzy.